see straight boys for Lekki na by connection. I swear, 80% of the guys in Lekki are gay.
All right, wait, let me break it down to you well. If you want to buy a car or you don't buy a car, you know, all those while you are spending your time going online, browsing about the car, checking about the car, or you don't buy the car, immediately you dey enter road, now that car you go to see. You go be like say the car full road. You go be like say everybody for Lagos, now that car they drive. I promise you. Even if you say, okay, oh, you won't buy car where be say, you know, like car where they too much, where be say people know to the drive and you want your car to be different. I promise you, immediately they buy that car, as they enter this Ekpe road, from VI to Aja, you must count that car like 10. Do you understand? Now, again, if you are driving the same car, and if you are driving a car and you see another person driving the same car coming, the person will be looking at the car, and you yourself will be looking at the car. As soon as I reach, get close to each other, the person will try to look to know who they inside the car. Do you understand? You get me? Car owners understand what I'm talking about. So, this message is not about car. Yeah, this message is not about car.